Top of the morning, guys. So today what we are doing is going to be a mid muffler delete for the Durango Hellcat. I want to do the mid muffler delete, get rid of the suitcase, and I'm going to use these Dyno Max bullets with an X pipe. If they tell me I could use this X pipe, if not, I'll probably have to make me an X pipe or H pipe with these bullets. I'm gonna kick the rear mufflers. Hopefully they give me permission to record them while they're doing the work, or at least a chance to show you guys the work this performs while it's on the lift. Also, this morning I woke up to this big box. I ain't gonna open it up right now. Some more other footage. This is for the 300 swap SRT front, rear bumpers, headlights, taillights. So, part number. Dyno Max race bullet. Here, big one right now. But it's about to be something done to her. So, part one, guys. Moisture, cloudy is. Alright, guys, going to the muffler shop. We'll be back. Please like, subscribe, and follow. It costs us nothing.